Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to Satya Prakash English Medium School. In today's lecture, let me start with the English grammar and composition subject and chapter number 2 kinds of sentences. ओके लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 1 है जो कंप्लीट किया. व्हाट इज द चैप्टर नंबर 1? वर्ड्स, फ्रेजेस एंड सेंटेंसेस. So what is the word, what is phrases and what is sentences? A word is a single unit of language which means something. Are you understand? Then phrases. A phrases is a group of words which make only sense but not a complete sentence. And a sentences is the group of words that makes complete sense. So हमने वहाँ पे 3 words सीखे थे. वर्ड्स, फ्रेजेस एंड सेंटेंसेस. नाउ अभी हमने सेंटेंस किससे बनता है, कैसे बनता है वो सीख लिया. नाउन, देन वर्ब एंड देन अदर वर्ड्स. नाउ सेंटेंसेस कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. ठीक है, अभी उसके बारे में जो आगे की लर्निंग है वो हम सेकंड चैप्टर में स्टडी करेंगे. सो द सेकंड चैप्टर इट्स कनेक्टेड टू द चैप्टर नंबर 1. यदि आपने चैप्टर 1 में अच्छे से सेंटेंसेस किसे बोलते हैं और फ्रेजेस किसे कहते हैं वो अच्छे से सीख लिया होगा तो ये इस चैप्टर में आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. सो काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस देखते हैं उसमें कौन से कंटेंट्स है. ओके, सो इन द चैप्टर नंबर 2 काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस देयर आर टोटल 2 टॉपिक्स वी will learn in this chapter. First is the assertive and interrogative sentences and the second is the exclamatory and imperative sentences. So in this chapter we are studying about the 4 types of sentences: assertive, interrogative, exclamatory and the imperative. So what is the assertive, what is interrogative, what is exclamatory and what is imperative? We will study in the details of these 4 types of sentences. So let me start with this chapter. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay, so let me start. Kinds of sentences. There are 4 different kinds of sentences. First is the assertive, second is the interrogative, third is the exclamatory and fourth is the imperative. So let me start with the first. What is the assertive sentence? Okay, an assertive sentence makes a statement. An assertive sentence makes a statement. Statement मतलब full sentence which make a sense and these sentences are complete last in with this full stop. What is the assertive sentence? It's make a statement and this type of sentence is last complete with the full stop. It can be of 2 kinds. First is the affirmative and second is the negative. Affirmative sentence मतलब क्या? It's the positive sentence. Affirmative sentence का जो sentence बनता है वो positive मतलब में होता है and the negative sentence which makes a negative sense. So it is called negative. So in the assertive sentence 2 kinds of sentences, affirmative and negative. Now study the following statements. Affirmative and negative. First, in affirmative, she is late. So first noun and then verb and then other words. Second, the sun has risen. Also first is the noun and the verb and other word. Third, Misa run fast. Fourth, he lives in Delhi. Fifth, Anu can speak English. So you can see in these sentences, this type of sentences makes a complete sense and these types of sentences is also called a statement and is the one type of positive sentence. So it's the one type of assertive, affirmative assertive sentence. Now the negative assertive sentence. So what is the negative sentence? देखो, she is late. यहाँ पे in the negative sentence she is not late. and in the short form she isn't late. Second, the sun has risen. In the negative sense, the sun hasn't risen. Third, Misha ran fast. And in the negative sense, Misha didn't run fast. Fourth, he lives in Delhi. And in the negative sense, he doesn't live in Delhi. Fifth, Anu can speak English. And in the negative sense, Anu can't speak English. So you can see the difference between the affirmative and the negative sentences. So affirmative makes a positive sense and the negative sentence makes a negative sense. So it's the assertive sentence which makes a statement. Okay. Now let us start with our next type of the sentences is the interrogative sentence. Okay. Then what is the interrogative sentences? Let's see. Okay. An interrogative sentence asks a question. Such a sentence ends with a question mark. So, first assertive sentence which makes a sentence, and these types of sentence end with the full stop. And in the interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. So, ये जो टाइप है सेंटेंस का, ये टाइप के सेंटेंसेस है वो लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क से फिनिश होते हैं. हियर आर द सम एग्जांपल ऑफ द इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज योर फादर. सेकंड, डू यू प्ले क्रिकेट. थर्ड, कैन यू लिफ्ट दिस बॉक्स. फोर्थ, वेयर आर यू गोइंग. एंड फिफ्थ, डिड Namia sing a song. So interrogative is the one type of question type of sentences, and this type of sentences ends with the question mark. Now third is the exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence express a strong feeling such as pleasure, anger, surprise, etc. एक्सक्लेमेटरी मतलब उद्गार, जैसे हम कुछ सरप्राइज हुआ हो ना, ऐसा सेंटेंस. विच टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस, जस्ट लाइक अ प्लीजर या फिर एंगर एंड देन सरप्राइज एक्सेट्रा. सो इन द एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस एक्सप्रेस अ ओनली स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स. सच अ सेंटेंस एंड्स विथ द साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन. सो इन द एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस ends with the exclamation mark. In interrogative sentences ends with the question mark, and in the assertive sentences ends with the full stop. So here the such example of the exclamatory sentence. The first is the what a shame. Second, how wonderful. Third, how foolish he is. And fourth, what a lovely flower. So it's the example of the exclamatory sentence. Now the imperative sentence. What is the imperative? An imperative sentence is the command, advice or request. किसी को ऑर्डर देना हो या फिर किसी को कुछ एडवाइस देना हो या फिर रिक्वेस्ट हो या फिर कमांड हो. So let me start with the imperative sentences. Such examples are here. First is the shut the door. Second, help the poor. It's the one type of advice. Third, never tell a lie. And fourth, please give me a water. It's a request. So it's the imperative sentence. So here are the four types of sentences you was studied now in this lecture: assertive, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. And also the two types of sentence in assertive, affirmative and the negative. Okay, now one exercise. Let we start with these four types of sentences and कौन से सेंटेंस है आप लोगों को सेंटेंस रीड करके बताना है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. सो हियर टेस्ट योरसेल्फ. State whether the following sentences are assertive, interrogative, exclamatory or इम्पेरेटिव। सो आप लोगों को यहाँ पे पहले गेस करना है, देन व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस वो यहाँ पे राइट करना है। फर्स्ट, पॉलिश योर शूज। ये जो है वो वन टाइप ऑफ कमांड है, सो इट्स अ इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस। सेकंड, शी sang a song. This sentence ends with the full stop and it's a normal sentence, so it's a assertive sentence. Third, finish your homework. It's a one type of order, so it's a imperative sentence. Fourth, the boys flew kites. It's a simple statement and ends with the full stop, so it's a assertive sentence. Fifth, what is your name? It ends with the question mark, so it's a interrogative sentence. Sixth, show me your purse. It's a imperative sentence because of its order. Seventh, what a lovely child. This sentence ends with the exclamation mark, so it's the exclamatory sentence. 8, how foolish you are. This sentence also finish with the exclamation mark, so it's the exclamatory sentence. 9th, were you happy there? Let's see. It ends with the question mark, so it's the interrogative sentence. 10th, what a beautiful night. Ends with the exclamation mark, so it's the exclamatory. And 11th, Rima does not like sweet. It's end with the full stop and यहाँ पे नोट है, so it's a negative, assertive negative sentence. And the last, does he live in your house? It's complete with the question mark, so it's the interrogative sentence. Now the answer of this exercise, answer is here. So यहाँ पे मैंने आप लोगों को आंसर लिख के दिया है, कौन सा असर्टिव है, कौन सा इंट्रोगेटिव है, कौन सा जो है एक्सक्लेमेटरी है एंड कौन सा इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस है। अभी आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा ये एक्सरसाइज के बाद, ठीक है, ओके। सो हमारा यहाँ पे जो है वन पार्ट ये चैप्टर का वो यहाँ पे कंप्लीट होता है। एंड इन टुडेज HW आप लोगों को ये एक्सरसाइज है वो 2 टाइम HW में लिखनी है एंड ऑल्सो द पेज नंबर 6 and 7 2 टाइम, ठीक है। इन टुडेज HW राइट एंड लर्न ऑल्सो। सो यहाँ पे हमारा जो है फर्स्ट पार्ट वो कंप्लीट होता है। सो टुडे के लिए थैंक यू सो मच।